Let's take a look at managing communication work identity. The changes in work and society over the past 50 years have led to a condition in which one's identity. The current state of the global political and economic environment means that such stability and continuity are increasingly hard to achieve. The result is that long term planning has been replaced by short term thinking, frequently dictated by the quarterly report. More and more responsibility is placed on employees to be flexible and to adapt to these changing conditions or be considered dinosaurs and expendable. One might argue that the stable, bureaucratic organization has been replaced by the constantly changing institutional forms that value disloyalty, irresponsibility, and immediate gratification. There appears to be a negative relationship between job security and managerial efforts over the past 50 years to make work more meaningful and rewarding. Not surprisingly, risk hasn't been felt by all workers equally.